Alright guys, so today we're gonna be installing my headliner. As you can see, I don't got no damn headliner. But right now we're at storage facility where I keep my lightning and my spare parts, because I can't have too many trucks at my house. But yeah, I'm gonna pick out some parts and then I'm gonna show you guys my lightning, which is the other project I have, but I've postponed that one until I finish this one because I can't have two projects at one time. But yeah, let me show you guys. There she is. My 1993 first gen Ford Lightning. Yeah. Let me see if I can get her started. Let me get some of this stuff out the way. Before I forget, let me make sure I grab the stuff I need. This is the installation, the sound deadening from the inside of the headliner. Need that. Alright guys, so I'm back and show you guys the headliner I'm gonna be installing. I got this from USA1 or I think that's what it's called. USA1. And it's a vinyl. Yeah. But before I do that, I have to put sound deadening in. That's what this stuff is. All that's gonna go right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then let you guys know when I'm done. Alright, so you can see I'm trying to get as many full pieces in there as I can. But like these edges right here and right there and that piece over there, basically you're just gonna have to put it up, draw a little outline with a Sharpie, and then use a utility knife and just cut it out, trim it down more, and yeah, but it's coming out good. Just make sure you press down on everything so it sticks. coming out good. It is all installed now. Looking good. Now I just need to test fit the headliner and yeah. I think that's test fit it. ¿Qué rollo?
¿Qué rollo?
Okay, so we just test fitted this. Pero sí queda? Yeah?
Not that perfect.
Not that perfect, but it fit.
Yeah.
So basically, these little cutouts right here is where you're gonna screw the trim in. All of these little, where the trim's screwed in, it has little notches everywhere.
Not everywhere.
Yes, it does.
But not like right here.
Okay,
here.
but there's no, look, you have to look up there. See how there's a hole right there for the screw? Yeah. That's where the cutout's at.
These ones?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because you can't, it's hard to screw through the leather, because this is leather, I think. So it's hard to screw through it, so they cut it out so you can screw into it.
How did they cut it out? Oh, from here?
Yeah.
Ah.
You get it now?
Yeah, I thought they were gonna cut it like.
Nah.
What, like? I thought they were gonna cut it like with something like with lava. I thought they were gonna like a lava thing. They were gonna go like.
Yeah? That's how we're gonna put it in. I just painted the trim. We're gonna let that dry, okay? Come on. Go to the truck. And yeah, it's drying. Painted it black, right?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so she was a bitch. She was harder than I thought it was to install. Had to end up getting my dad out here and helping me hold it up. But fix the lighting.